Hello guys, welcome to Naville. We talk about the 2011 motorcycle. It's my dad's motorcycle. Got the engine. Talk about the convict right there. Right there. Let's speak about this here. Got you see me, yeah. Turn on the section. Got easy, got this. Got the brake. I don't really want to go on this thing. Yeah. See right here. Got the top on. Got who puts see numbers. Let's work. And how to walk because at the motorcycle helmet. Got the two lights on there. One. And I'm about to sit on it. I never did. There's the motorcycle right there. There's the motorcycle. There's the motorcycle. There's red Crown Vic. Let me show you. Yeah, you see me? Well, I got that spring. Now on this circle. And got the I want to put my foot on the brake. This is how you drive an original bike. See me right there. This is how you ride a bike. The hold still. You don't know how to ride the bike, do not ask me. Got the so easy to fall off. This bad boy. See, you see here that full. See the name and you see customs. And my old YouTube channel name been Hot Wheels, Custom Cars, and Matchbots. See that my I can't drive this. I as a kid. I 11-year-old. See the engine. You see the foot pedal. It's just like a car, but I just been turned on. I just make a lot of noise. There's that, and this is really parts. See right there. Look. See that? And see on the left side. I don't want to fall off this. And what's that? The engine is right here. You see, I trying to turn it. It's like this. Well, it's easy and it's black and silver. Yeah, actually the name of the bike. Custom. Okay. Got the get the green, blue. Get this. You got the gas tank. Let me show you a little boys. When you move this, see? That's the gas tank right there. That is pretty cool because this is the hidden gas tank, and bam, you have to open your gas. Look at this, bam, and bam. How cool is that? You gotta get a key, get the motorcycle key, and just open it up and put gas in there. That's my dad's. I don't really drive. Oh, I told you once, and see right there. Many cool things is going to be. Wait, got a helmet, the blue helmet. I would say on the foot pedal, it only works I put on this is what you say. Put on this is it. How to? I'm not even driving the motorcycle. It park right here. Well, are you trying to drive it? You have to press this button and this brake and this stop it. You have to press this and this button here to go. And this is now I tell you how to train the all YouTuber to how to ride a bike. The bike didn't turn on. And how to assist you. See? Look at that. It moves. And it's right here. I do have a go-kart because I have to show it to you at some time. Well, see that way though? See that? This thing. This thing right here. How to stop the let me show you. How to stop a vehicle. A bike of a car. I did show you with the Crown Vic. I do have a go-kart. That is all little. Some also got the fuel gauge and bad boy right here. Let me get off because it's so hard to get off the. I don't really want to. Okay. For his turtles, got the thing. Got the wheel, brand new wheel. Got scratch up all the way. See right there. See right there. No license plate on jump and this. And this. Look, bam. That is the prize. So this moves. Let me show you. See? See that? That is that's so cool. This is the smoke come off. This one don't move because and this is the brake. Okay. You know it said 900. See that is so cool. Okay. And the license plate is 72049 W no Y. Look at that Maryland. 24 of the 2024. Got the lights. You got the 1812. And the smoke. Let's show you one. I can show you one more time. It's like a thing. This is so cool. This is actually a great thing to do with your motorcycle. Make a feel about it. Like a bottle opener. Okay. Like this one. Okay, this have S on it. And this. And I'll show you how to get on. It's my dad's motorcycle. Let me back it up. Let me back it up more. That is the story of my dad's motorcycle. A clear glass. Yeah, glass. I know what shape this is. Like this. Okay, let me show you one more time how to do it with the motorcycle.